Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create two PayPal accounts. This is very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official PayPal website. So go to paypal.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So if you have already logged in the upper right corner, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where we can take a look at our PayPal balance. We have our recent activity, we can send request money and so on. If not, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to look like this. So before logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page where you can sign up for free in the upper right corner. Now guys, how do you have two PayPal accounts? Well, basically guys, you can use two PayPal accounts with your same payment info, but one needs to be a personal account and the second account needs to be a business account. So you can have one personal account and one business account that you can use with the same payment info. You cannot have two personal accounts and you cannot have two business accounts with your same payment info. So if you already created a personal account, what you can do is open up a business account. By clicking open a business account, it's going to take you to the new page where you can get started providing all your info, such as your first name, last name, email address you want to use, and so on, that you can use for logging into your account. It has to be a different email address from your personal account. But yeah guys, by creating a business account, you'll be able to use your same payment info on those two accounts, and that's how you can have two accounts at the same time, and that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.